gorgeous day today in Marseille, and after a very long and exhausting walk in the industrial harbor, 5 minutes, my batteries level were very low, and therefore I decided to replace my energy and have lunch in La Bussola. And the executive chef prepared for me today a surprise. The entire menu was based on original recipes from Sorrento. Some pasta that they were fabulous, and a chicken which was divine. And you and myself wonder why I am so fat.